Welcome to my channel. This channel is based for the seated preparation for classes 6 to 8th social science. Today I am going to start with the civics for classes 6 to 8th. The first chapter is diversity. So let's begin with diversity. Understand about diversity. What is diversity? Diversity mainly deals with the concept that we all are living together but we are doing the things in different ways, being different from others, as we all are living in different parts of the country, hence we are having different kinds of practices in our lives. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. We do many things that are similar except that we do them in different ways. The different ways can be praying styles, solemnizing marriages, dresses, the dresses that Manipur women wear is Fanic, the greeting styles. So the greeting styles in Jharkhand is like saying Johar to each other. The cooking styles are various in various regions, like cooking biryani with meat or vegetables. So let's talk about the factors that affect our diversity. The diversity is affected by the geographical and historical factors. When we refer to the historical factors, we refer to how the past of a region affects and impacts its culture. Such a factor influences diversity of a region when we refer to the location, climatic conditions, relief features of a particular area that again influences its culture. So history and geography are often tied in the cultural life of a region. We can state that the different examples of Ladakh and Kerala to understand so this is the map of Kerala and Ladakh. On the right hand side you can see the map of Kerala, which is on the southwestern part of India. On the one side it is surrounded by sea, on the other side it is surrounded by hills and mountains. And with the Ladakh is in the eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir. It is a deserted area. So let's talk about the features of Ladakh. Ladakh is a desert on the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. This is the region that does not receive rain. Agriculture is very little practiced. It is mostly covered with snow. The melting of snow provides water to the natives. People keep sheep and goats. Goats provide pashmina shawl. So this is a very important point which is frequently asked in your seated exams. Pashmina shawls are woven in Kashmir. People eat meat, cheese, and butter. Each family has cow, goats, and dazos. Ladakh has many passes through which caravans travel to what is today called as Tibet. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. Ladakh is called as Little Tibet, and Islam is also practiced here. Tradition of poems and songs are followed here. The Tibetan national epic is Kesar Saga. This is very important, which is performed by Muslims and Buddhists. So this is a geographical feature of Ladakh, and just below that is the religion that is practiced is Buddhism. So let's talk about Kerala and its feature. Kerala lies in the southwestern part of India, surrounded by sea, Arabian Sea and on the one side and hills on the other. Hills have spices like cardamom, cloves and pepper. Jewish and Arab traders came here first, Ibn Battuta and Vasco da Gama. The Epistle of Christ, the St. Thomas brought Christianity to India. Now China wala. China wala is a word. It's a Chinese way of fishing net which is also practiced and done in Kerala. What is China chati? China chati is a word which is derived from China. Is used in Kerala for frying. Usually in India it is called as kadhai, in which we do frying. Now the climate of Kerala is suitable for growing rice. Boat race. Boat race is very important part of Onam festival celebrated in Kerala. Unity in diversity. The Unity in Diversity phrase was coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. The discovery of India was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. National anthem Jana Gana Man was composed by Rabindranath Tagore, and national song Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.